So I have a kick template and I use a drum rack, and these are my favourite 16 kicks, and I'll just go through so you can go through a few so you can hear them. And they're my favourite 6 that I've collected over the past 5-6 years. And then, yeah, so that is my kick. I also have a high on my kick as well, and that stays within the template. And I've also found that if I already have the kick written out, it just helps me get into the flow a lot quicker. So the main 3 to 4 basses that I'll use, sub-boom bass, I have my favourites in there. My main 2 that I'd use is the SH1 and the Danger Zone. I will also use a Ableton stock instrument, and this is the guitar bass. This is really, really cool. Also, I use a Bassline from Dance Track from Roland Cloud, and it's called Cubase. And Cubase is that real, authentic 90s sound. This is the sound that I'm really loving at the minute, and I've been making a lot of bass lines with this sound.